Let's look how to do clean installation of Java SDK 24 on Windows 11. For this, open any browser and there type download Java SDK 24 and press enter. Then click on first link pointing to official Oracle page. Next, navigate to JDK 24 tab. Under that, select Windows tab as shown here. Under that, select x64 installer download link as shown here. Just wait for downloading the installation file. Now double-click on this installation file to begin installation. Then click on default installation steps and complete the installation as shown here. Now we have to set environment variable for it. For this, navigate to installation location of SDK 24 you can see here in the screen. Now we have to copy down the bin path of SDK 24. Now go to search and type env and select environment variable settings as shown here. Navigate to advanced tab, then click on environment variable button. Under system variables, search for path and then double-click on it. Next, click on new button and paste down the path you have copied earlier. Then click on OK and close this environment variable settings. Now open command prompt Windows. There type Java -- version and press enter. You can see Java SDK 24 is installed and active on my Windows machine. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.